Here's why being in a good team will make you a better player. We see this great pass from Messi and the top finish from David Villa. But how on earth did this even happen? As Messi receives the ball, look how narrow the back four is. Yet Messi still found a successful passing lane. The reason being overloads, thanks to Barca's fullback Dani Alves. As he's driving with the ball, we initially see a back five with Madrid's midfielder dropping in this zone. As Alves progresses more, we see the centre-back following Messi, and at this point there is zero danger. Alves now playing this pass to the winger and making an underlap run is like checkmate. The centre-back following Messi is now too scared to leave his slot, as Barca have two men forward here. Pedro drives inside, bringing the fullback with him, and lays it off to Messi, who is free. Now we have a back four. Alves running on the blind side here, makes a midfielder initially move this way to block off the passing lane, giving Messi an extra second on the ball to drive in field. Now, as he drives in field, this is the passing lane he chooses. If Alves wasn't here, this centre-back could simply move this way and cut off this passing lane, but he's stuck here in case Messi plays a reverse pass here. And he has just enough room to squeeze it through to the striker. One sign of a dominant team who keep good possession is high fullbacks, and as a forward, this will give you way more opportunities.